fishing, pond fly fishing on the mobile fishing live stream. I'm going to be using a Echo Ion 2-3 weight fly reel with a 3-weight line and this Redington Pursuit 4-weight. It's a 8-footer and weight forward 3-weight line and this little jig. And it's Saturday morning. Temps are in the 80s, so it's a lot cooler than it was when it was in the hundreds just the last couple of days ago. And I am seeing some movement already in the shallows. And let's see if we get something. There's a hit. All right. I'm going to start casting nearby. There's another hit. There he is. Little guy. That's what I suspected. That's what was hitting that trout magnet. And they were just kind of nipping at it, these little guys. All right. First fish of the day going to be a bluegill. And one thing that's nice about this little 3-weight or 4-weight is it's a weight forward line. I'm not using that Skagit head that I normally use on my 4 or 5 weight as well as the 6 weight. Instead, this is just your traditional weight forward line. But what's nice is it's one that's great for working ponds and whatnot like this, because I can do these quick casts, just basically a back cast and a forward cast, and I can start working the shallows just like so. So I'm not doing any false, oh, there's a hit, shoot. I'm not doing any false casting. I'm putting the finger, or my finger on the line here and lifting up, put it back on here, just ready for the strike. There's the hit, there's the hit. And you can see I'm not having to cast very far. This one feels better. In the shallows, you notice that? Pretty close to the shallows. And it turns out to be a bass. Nice. A good morning bass. All right. All right, now again, I'm using that producer fly. This one looks like he's been beat up right here. Ooh. Ooh, let's see. There's someone on. Okay. Yo. All right. Hi. Let's see. Trying to read who it is. I got to look at my glasses here. Xfinity. All right. Hi. Hi. How's it going? Appreciate y'all joining today. Joining me on a little live streaming fishing trip. And it's pretty much minimal setup. All I have is my phone on a harness around my neck. And I got a little microphone here to at least improve the audio quality. And oh, by the way, this is going to be a podcast also that I'll be posting on our podcasting channel, realcastfishing.net. All right. There's another strike. Okay, wow, they're close by. All right. Okay, so just a quick cast and forward. And one quick tip I learned on one of these fly fishing classes and whatnot. One individual was talking. There's a hit. There's a hit. Oh yeah, nice. Close shot. Little bluegill, eh? All right. Pond fly fishing. All right. So one thing they were saying in this class was when you are first learning, just put a few lengths of line. Basically, the length of your rod is all you really need to start out with. Here I'm probably, here I'll close it down here real quick and take up all this line. And I'm just going to use basically the length of this rod. I think I got a hit already. Okay. Yeah. I felt something on there. Little fingerling. Look at this guy. Little fingerling bass. All right. Went for the producer. So let's put him back in. See if I can get you a better view of the action here. All right. And basically this is the length of my line, or my rod. So this is about, let's say, let's fix that. Let me fix the rod, or the line. It's a little clobbered here. So it's an 8-foot rod. I've got basically the length of the line here, about 8 feet. And then I've got about 6 feet of leader and tippet. And I'm gonna jam my finger here, and we're gonna fish with this much line. All right. And one thing they were saying was the when you're first learning out, a lot of folks don't wait on their back casts. And one of the quick things to remember about that is just do a little 1 second count. So 1/1000, go forward. So I'm doing a setting up with the back casts. 1/1000, go forward. 1/1000, go forward. And you can see I can pretty much get the line where I need to. And as I get more comfortable, oh shoot, there was a bass. As I get more comfortable, I will give it more line. Okay, a couple of taps. Yeah. Oh, look at that, right there in front of me where I was just casting. So, right there by my feet. Didn't want to play. There's the hit. Ah, that one was a very light strike. Picked up on the line as I was just kind of letting it drift along. Let's see if I can get him to do it again here. Watching the line, got polarized glasses. There's the hit. There's the pickup. All right. Yeah, it's very slight pickup. And that said, go ahead and tighten up. Okay. Oh yeah, we got a little Bassily too. All right. Fun stuff on a ultralight style fishing, basically, with a 3-weight fly line, 4-weight rod right there. All right, and there's the producer. Okay, very simple tie right there. It's a very simple tie. It's a little chenille right here and marabou, and then in there's a little crystal flash right there. You can just kind of see the flash in there, and that kind of gives it I guess a attractant feel or whatnot, because maybe it makes it look more alive, or just enough to get them to strike. And that one hit right on the edge where I was saying that, where it gets deeper. It's shallow here, it gets deeper here, and then over here it kind of gets deep as well. And I think he was just kind of lurking around that edge. And I'm just going to clear behind me, standing off about 15 feet from the bank, dropping the fly close to the bank, clearing the area in case there's anything I want to strike that's lurking nearby. Okay. All right, now I'll go a little bit further, getting closer to the bank again. Key is you want to, there was one right there. Cast to that spot and he didn't hit. There's a hit. There's a hit. Oh yeah, there he goes. So you see what I mean? How you can stay close to the bank and stand off before you actually start casting further, because this guy was just near the bank. He's finding pretty good too. One of the bigger bass this morning. All right, let me just bring this up. Oh,